Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back on January 1st. Happy freaking New Year. Hitting up Nike Outlet Watts. No videos for a couple days because I was sick. My bad, you guys. And of course, we have to go straight to the back wall. This place just opened 15 minutes ago. Gonna do a quick walk by real quick. But yeah, I do got some dunk highs. $1.25. These are the SB dunks. And that is the candy corn colorway. First time I've seen these. The LeBron 2 Killed 5 Animal colorway. That's what I get for making bad jokes. But yeah, this used to be a PE. Now they brought it back to the general public. This got a lot of flavor. This does have a lot of flavor. I don't think it's flavor that I'm into, but yeah, these are pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. These are pretty dope. I don't think I would rock them, but these ain't bad. Size 11. Size 11. To get that 20% or 30% off. Has his Instagram handle inside right there, and you can wear this with the strap, without the strap. You can take the straps off on both sides, which is pretty dope. Do have a pair of the gold and white ones. Comes with red laces too. Alpha Fly Next Percent 2s. I so regret not buying the ones. Some Jordan 1s right here. These are size 10. Some Gore-Tex. I don't think I've seen this colorway of the Gore-Tex. Pretty freaking nice. Those are pretty dope. $2 for those. Got a pair of the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagines right here. $180 for those, size 11. Jordan 36 Refurb, size 11, $100. All right, now we're gonna go from the smaller sizes to the bigger sizes. Size 8. They want full retail for those. I guess you get the 30 off, but still. Still got one of these Ambush Air Force ones. Still $190, size 7. Pittsburgh Steelers Pegasus 38 right here. These are hella small, goddamn, dude. Yeah, these are only 65 bucks, so 65. There's gently worn. And the 7, size 6, going for $66. That's like new. $81 for these right here. Oh, apparently I don't know how to open these, my bad. Because they always rip off the box top, that's why. That's why I'm always confused with these. That's funny. But yeah, Jordan 36. These aren't 36 lows. These are 37 highs. Okay. Who knows what the price is. Some pennies right here. Got a refurb. $90? 90 freaking dollars. And you get 30% off. So that's what, $27 off. Wow. Under $70, you guys. Under 70 bucks, $63 for these bad boys. That's one hell of a price for pennies. Another one of these, and this has the actual correct price on it, $230. So that brings these down to like $150 or something. Normally $275. So that's a hell of a discount, almost 50% off. And these just look insane, dude. These look insane. If you got these and you can't run fast, then shame on you. Ronald Palmer's, LeBron 9, LeBron Palmer's going for $120. Wow, that's a deal, especially with that 30 off. Got these right here. These are $160 for these. Get another 30 off. Actually, I got mine for 25% off, so it wasn't even that much cheaper. I did buy one of these for the nephews. Jordan 1 SE. And the material does not even look SE right there. Looks hella budgety. $1.25. Yeah, speaking of, like these feel SE. Look at the leather. Just, man, the colorway is just awful. Remind me of like the Jordan 1 High what is it? The fuchsias? Something. The colorway was so awful, but the material was just so fantastic. Yeah, man. Seeing these here. If you guys weren't able to pick it up at Chic for hella cheap, at least come here, get 30% off. That's a size 9. They also had a size 11. Jordan 1 though, OGs right here with box top, $130. So you get $10 discount, then you get 30% off on top of that. That's what's up with the box top too. Jaw 1s right here, size 8, $110. Got pandas right here on the back wall, going for 30% off 110. LeBron Next Gen 140, you get that 30 off on top. Dang, workers are doing a deep cleaning. I see them with Swiffer pads and stuff like that. Art, I think size 11 and a half on the back wall right here. Space Jam colorway, kind of, sort of, not really. 2 trays right here. Buck 20, size 15 too. What the hell? And they trick us with the black cement box right here. Bastards, MVPs. Got the Prestos. And these are the Hello Kitty Prestos. $80. 80 freaking dollars. Are you serious? Remember, you couldn't even get these at the beginning. Dang, you get that extra 30 off too. Digi Camo right here. These are tough, dude. These are tough. They don't even look like Air Max 95s. The Digi Camo does its job. You can't even tell. Buck 60 for those. Size 11. Size 12. I think that's the one I showed you guys earlier, right? And then if you see something like this and that other one had a tag on it, you know, they probably just didn't mark it. So try to get it at the cheaper price. Some Dunks right here. Buck 40. These are size 12. Some Air Force One. Mids or highs? These are mids. A buck 50. A big fur. Is that a refurb for the big feet gang right here? Yeah, 75 for the Pegasus Turbo Dex Natures. Obviously scruffed up, so obviously they are used. Gently worn. USA colorway there, Max 97s right here, 140. Sure, we've seen that cheaper at the retail stores. Some of the retail stores, not all. Jordan 1 lows. I have seen plenty of these colorways, and I did forget to show them $100 for the 13s right there, as well as smaller sizes. Yeah, all along the bottom right there. Jordan 1 bread AJKO canvas version right here, size 12, a buck 20. Of course. And size 16s, 155. Size 14 Metcon 7s, $70. That's hella cheap. So I'd say slightly imperfect. I did drop these, whatever these are. Yeah, these are whatever. Wait, 140? 140 for these? On my way to check the apparel. Look at this. $60? Holy crap, that's cheap. All right, let's go check out apparel real quick. Is that a Parsons jersey? Cowboys got a huge win this past weekend. Now, if you guys saw that game, that was just nuts. Cannot believe the refs made that huge mistake, and they still went for it, dude. I still can't believe Detroit went for it, even with the penalty and stuff like that. Just kind of crazy. But yeah, I guess these are regular price. Do get that 30 off since it is on the clearance. Someone probably returned it. This is a size large. Pretty decent. Yeah, usually there's a tag on it, but I don't know. I think this is a $130 one, I think. Women's U.S. National Soccer Team t-shirt right here. Large for women, $35. $90 for these. These have been here forever. Just dropped the price already. This hoodie right here, this is a thin. Yeah, one of the thinner hoodies, not one of the super nice ones. $45 for an XL. UCLA pullover. This one's hella nice, $85. And that is a large. Got some tech fleece right here, $145. This is a dope university blue though. But yeah, it is a small, and it is almost regular price. I was like, this is not even a men's small. What the hell? Women's small, $60. That's hella cheap. Soccer team right here, $30. Army green hoodie. This is a small, $65 for these. Got shorts, and by shorts I mean short shorts, booty shorts. And god dang, this is like hella bright. Like, who wants this like this bright? $70? $70. Jordan shorts right here. These still look short. What the hell? These are large. God, oh, it's a women's. That's why it looked weird. $40 for that. I think a lot of women's stuff in the men's apparel section. Because yeah, $40 for that one. Oh, this is interesting. Interesting. Rarely see this type of stuff here. But yes, $80. $80 for these what, khaki shorts? It was 80 down to 72. Then you get the 30 off on top. But yeah, then they got all these running shorts, these short shorts, booty shorts. 30% off this backpack. I like this backpack actually, but it's small. The only thing is it's small, and yeah, this does not work for my kiddo. But I like, but it does have the really thick zippers, pretty decent size main pocket for being such a small backpack. And then price unknown. We're back to the aisles, and I've told you guys, like, don't really read too much into the suggested retail. It's wrong all the time. But yeah, normally 200 down to $100. We've even seen these on sale at the retail shop, so obviously they're gonna be on sale here. I'm trying to remember if they were on sale the last time I came here. I don't think they were down to 100 quite yet, so that's actually pretty nice. They do got sizes on both, up to 10.5 on the black ones, up to size 11 on these, I don't know, yellowish, like a darker yellow. Next gens right here. They have multiple colorways, just not on display. Here, I helped them. I threw one up there. All right, I'm not gonna do it on this one. I'm too lazy. Let's see what the third colorway is. Oh, it's a black, all black instead of that kind of black and white one over there. Okay, okay. Then Witnesses, facing the wrong way. More Witnesses. 80 tray 5, 9s. Multiple of these. Colorway, black and white colorway. Ja ones. These Hyperdunks? What the hell? I ain't seen Hyperdunks in a minute, sissy. Hyperdunk 2017s. And these are lows. Have not seen these anywhere. $100 now. Multiple colorways. Up to size 10.5 right here. Up to size 13 on these. These used to be one of the most popular basketball shoes for years. That's crazy they got these here. I haven't seen these forever. Zoom 92s. I do want to say, I'm pretty sure this one's on sale, but I don't think someone updated this, because both of these two have been here for a cool minute. Jordan 200Es. Take One Gen 2. Another one right here. We got the original Take Ones. Then the Take One 4s right here. I almost missed out on these Air Zoom Generations. And then Duke got retros. These are the white infrared 7s. Chambres right here. Lows. Is there some SE Crafts? Oh, okay, okay. These are going for 30% off, 110. And these are upside down with the, oh, it flips inside out. Yeah, these are going for 120. I want to say these have been here for a minute, haven't they? Jordan 2s, more 2s. I feel like this golf's been here for a minute. Then of course the sleuth of the non-signatures, the Team Jordans. And got a ton of them over here as well. Got some Forces right here. These are one of the Crater knits, or the Crater fly knits. Got Crater on the midsole and then fly knit up top. Got some mids right here. Got some Trainer 1s. Here, more up tempos in one of the colorways I'm not super excited about. Are these going down in price? Not yet, not yet. The Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. If those go down even more, might be worth it. Dang, now that I think about it, I could have got those with the friends and family if I really want them. It's all good, not that serious. Got Blazers. These are the suede ones. Got some suede Blazer low acronyms right here. These are keep dropping and dropping. These are the ones with the 3D printed stuff on the back, and I believe you can download the blueprint to make more of these with the 3D printer in the back. You could make like some Spurs. That'd be kind of crazy to make Spurs. But yeah, do you got these Kai's right here? Sakai collab Blazers, that is. Dang, I'm getting over a cold. I haven't coughed all day, and then all of a sudden, I'm having a crazy cough attack. I've taken numerous COVID tests just in case as well. Look at this. Look at this. Dude got limited elite jerseys. What these going for? $85? Are these all? There's a medium right there. Damn. These ain't bad. They got a large. Looks like they got multiple sizes. XL in the back. They got multiple sizes. These are dope. These are dope. Then dude got the other Goats jersey. I know that's just gonna kill some of you guys. That's why I said it's kind of hilarious. Got $120 for these. Of course, this is his older number. Well, his newer older number. He started with 23, then went back to 6, then went back to 23. But yeah, they got some basketballs on sale, $30. You get 30% off. Got fanny packs. They don't want to call them fanny packs. They call them waist packs. But yeah, they got fanny packs. $20. $20. Not too bad. That's your thing. I just cannot get into fanny packs. That's just not my thing, dude. I just can't do it. Dude, got huge water bottles. How many ounces is this? 40-ounce water bottles. And these are insulated, but it is plastic, so not as good as metal. But 22, does that include the 30% off? I think it does. I think it does. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a women's. Look, the extended size price, $50? $50 for these? Are you serious? These haven't even been out that long. 160 down to 50, you get another 30% off. So what is that, $35? There's no way these fit me. $35 for Infinity Run 4s already? Yeah, damn, they're too tight. They're too tight. Holy cow. Holy cow. Super comfy. Not as comfortable as the Invincible Run 3s. Invincible Run Flying in 3s? I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't have the Zoom X. This does have React X, which is slightly not as comfy, but still hella comfy. $35 freaking dollars, can you believe it? I might have to get this for the nephews, that fool that I just bought the Air Force Ones for. He does do some running, so I might have to get these. I don't think he'll mind this color. $35. Good training shoe. Good training shoe. If you wear up to like size 10, 10 and a half, maybe even 11s, in men's sizes, definitely worth checking out. The women's, especially the bigger sizes, they do extended size pricing on a bunch of stuff, and they just get rid of it for hella cheap. So might be worth checking for you guys. Size 9.5 right here, $150. Got a smaller size, what, 7 right here as well. 270s right here, going for $160. Air Max 2017s go for $165, way too much. Jordan 1 High Elevates, $155 for those. Jordan 1 High Comforts, do got these for $90. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is $120. I forget the MSRP on these are so high because I always find them on sale everywhere. Air Max Theas, $75. Jordan Hex Mules. They don't call these slides, they call them mules. Maybe because the toe is covered. Yeah, maybe because the toe is covered. $65 for those. All right, let me go pay for these things right here. $35. 35 freaking dollars. Are you serious? Pretty much free. Comes out to 78% off retail price. Retail's $160, $35, 78% off. Not bad, yo, not bad. After tax, $38. 38 freaking dollars. You really can't beat that. All right, those of you guys that are not used to really driving through the hood, take the major streets. Take the major streets when you're driving through the hood. Don't let Google Maps take you through the Jordan Downs projects and stuff like that. Like just stick to the major streets, man. Just go down Alameda, take Wilmington, like the big streets. All right, gave away a couple last presents to my workers. Kind of late, but it's all good. But yeah, dang, it says I saved $250. So yeah, time to give all this stuff away. I did buy some candy and stuff. There's a Dollar Tree, so they can grab whatever candy they want as well. I think I have like 15 workers. I don't know. Like I said, these are my workers. These are people that help out. There are support staff, so they help out with stuff, so they deserve a little something too. Gave out 20 different lotions and then all the candy too. The candy went first, actually. Surprising. Okay.